Look at you.
محاسبة. مريم أحمد أولى على تخصص إدارة الأعمال. أنا أحمد دعلب.
Books with me, my graduation gifts. The smallest bag. Oh, this is so cute. This is so cute. Thank you. It's amazing. Excuse my ugly nails. I was working, but this is amazing. A disclaimer, I'm not showing off anything, but I do appreciate my family and my friends who have been with me through my journey, and I'm so thankful that they made my graduation day, which is like so special, more even special. So I'm not showing off, I'm just, you know, I'm just grateful, and I just wanna share my gratefulness with you guys. So second gift. Ta-da! Okay, let's see. This is perfume. White jean Paris leather. Oh, does it look fancy? Let's open it. Oh, it already smells good. Ignore the noises. Oh, this is cool. This is cool. This is so fucking adorable. This is amazing. It smells so good. So fucking good. Thank you. I'm so grateful that I have such a good friends who actually knows my taste in perfumes. I love perfumes, especially the light ones. Like, amazing. French perfumes are everything. It's like, period. Okay. Next. Fendi. Bougie. This is bougie. I remember my cousin, he still used to say bougie. Wow, this is another level. This is so gorgeous. This is like thank you. This is amazing. Look how it shines. Thank you, my friend. Thank you so much. Okay. To our last gift. Perfumes that come. Oh, this is bath body. Okay, it had body lotion, perfume spray, fragrance mist, and shower gel. This is quite good. Let's check this out. Let's open review. Okay, I guess I need this. So this event was actually held by my aunt, and I have working with her, to organize the whole event and all, because it's supposed to be, such an event, such a gathering with girls, since it has been a year or more since we last gathered. But then, so I was like too excited, and I was too excited, and I was organizing with her. Usually it's me, the one who organizes all the surprises in our, friends and family groups. So I was surprised. It's, I actually kind of knew it's for me, but then, I don't raise my hopes, because I do not like surprises, to be honest. I am the leastest person you want to surprise. So anyways, it ended up to be my graduation party, and my friend surprised me, and I was like so grateful, and I was like, wow, this is amazing. I'll be showing some footage at the end of this video. Some of the footage I have been taking for a snap, because I didn't have time to vlog, and I was like kind of busy, and so yep, don't go anywhere, enjoy the whole video. At the end of the video there'll be some footage. So this is moisturizing body lotion of Paris Lights. Okay, let's open you. This smells roses. Wow, it is amazing. It's so this is fragrance mist. Focus, my babe. So basically, hey sis. So basically, all the whole group is like, the same kind of, like similar kind of smell. So oops. This smells like, I don't know, something clean, something fresh, and it's like all about I don't know. Like when you actually smell this, you feel like you have never been clean this much. Okay, next. This is shower gel. Yeah. I currently not using any lights but natural lights, though I have a ring light, but hey, I am filming. Why you are? Thank you so much. Ow. Okay. Yeah. It's actually the same smell.
Looks bad, right? Imagine filming it. في واحد كان بيحب الورد الأحمر. أنا جبت هذا يوم جبت كذا الورد قلت في حياتي ما حصلت ورد شيء. مع إني أنا حصلت بس أنا في حياتي ما قصرت وانت عليه. Thank you very much. What coffee? Cappuccino. نحط فيهم. ماني بيت عمو. مالك موجود. Oh.
So, thank you so much. Can you please stop? She's so annoying. I'm so sorry, guys. Anyways, thank you so much. Again, I'm not showing off. It's just I am appreciating my friends, my family, and my sister. And yes, enjoy the footage of the events 9. And thank you so much for watching. Share, like, and subscribe. Bye. Because I'm showing that I know how to look. هذا shampoo. Anyways, that's because I am from Pakistan, but I have born in UAE, aka Dubai, and no. Anyways, and so I studied in Arabic school because our culture was like same as, you know, the Arab culture, but I have studied in anyways, and so I have been I went to Arabic school, but I studied business in English in English uni, so I know Urdu, I know Arabic, then I know English, and I know a little bit of Turkish because I watch a lot of Turkish dramas, and Spanish a little bit. Buenos dias, ¿cómo esto? Bien, that's it. And Sarangi, I know a little bit. Sarangi, no, Sarangi. Anyway, so I know a little bit of Korean, not a little bit, just some catchy words, because again I watch a lot of K-dramas. So thank you for watching.